The Komatsu cable excavator is specially designed for tasks related to power lines. With its exceptional strength and flexibility, this equipment helps optimize the demolition and installation processes, ensuring high safety and efficiency. The Komatsu continuous miner is equipped with a powerful engine delivering up to 900 horsepower. This heavy-duty equipment is specially designed for deep and continuous digging in harsh environments. With advanced technology, the machine boosts productivity, saves time, and optimizes the excavation process, making it highly effective for large-scale projects. For the first time, we used our patented exclusive handling technology. In addition to the SPMT, Kubler's lifting bolt system and beam bridge were also applied, providing optimal efficiency in transportation and lifting operations. With advanced technology, the Bauer BG36H excavator, equipped with a powerful 400 horsepower engine combined with a Volvo truck, delivers exceptional strength for heavy-duty projects. Both of these machines provide optimal efficiency in deep excavation, transportation, and construction in harsh environments. To optimize the demolition process, the Menzi Muck M545X, combined with the Stavoplast KL demolition shear, demonstrates exceptional power. With its strong pulling capacity and precise maneuvering, this equipment helps complete complex demolition tasks quickly and efficiently. Designed for durable operation in harsh environments, the Bauer BG24H drill easily cuts through tough layers of gravel and rock. Its high adaptability enables the machine to complete drilling tasks with precision and efficiency, meeting the demands of large-scale construction projects. The breakdown of the Sonalika DI-50 tractor caused a work stoppage, requiring a timely solution. Restoring the machine's operation is crucial to maintaining the progress and quality of the project. Heavy equipment operators face many challenges when unloading large rocks at sand mining sites. These hard boulders and heavy weights require precision and high skill, along with specialized equipment to handle them efficiently. The marble production process on the mountain is truly impressive, with large blocks of stone being carefully cut. However, this work faces some difficulties, leading to product quality falling short of expectations, which impacts both the progress and final outcome. The Druckrohrleitung Hydropower Pressure Pipeline Installation project uses powerful equipment such as the CAT 336 excavator and the limited edition Hitachi ZX 490. The tandem hub system is applied to optimize construction efficiency and ensure the project timeline is met. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you believe that these modern machines play a crucial role in driving the progress and success of construction projects. AGT GmbH hat established a strong position in the railway industry, spezialisieren in der Produktion, Refurbishment und Maintenance von Trucks und Switches. With high flexibility and reliability, AGT quickly became a trusted partner, raising quality standards. The company uses advanced technology to provide optimal solutions from planning to execution. During the infrastructure upgrade, new ties on the Morelia Railway were installed using modern machinery, ensuring high efficiency and precision. The combination of advanced equipment and expert techniques helped optimize the construction schedule and improve the quality of the tracks. The MT-LB all-terrain vehicle in Chukotka has been modified to suit the harsh conditions of the region. With its exceptional performance on challenging terrain, this upgraded vehicle provides high efficiency in transport tasks and supports construction projects. With outstanding power and durable features, the price of this locomotive reflects the investment in high efficiency and reliability in transportation. Have you ever witnessed the power of the TT4? We used it to pull the KAMAZ 4310 out of a tough situation. With its outstanding capabilities, the TT4 not only solved the problem, but also demonstrated its durability and efficiency in situations that require significant strength. Oh no! Despite being a powerful truck, it couldn't overcome the muddy road. Help from a tractor was needed to resolve the situation. This highlights that even heavy-duty vehicles face challenges when dealing with harsh terrain. The BTM3 overcame the challenge of working on a 1.31 foot thick frozen soil layer, demonstrating its exceptional adaptability in harsh conditions. Its special design allows the machine to maintain optimal performance, ensuring work progress and making it the perfect choice for construction projects on frozen ground. Have you ever seen the PMK 106 Belgorod using a tow net to move equipment? This method helps optimize the transportation process and minimize risks. It ensures that the equipment is moved quickly and accurately, making it suitable for harsh working conditions.